Do you suspect your partner is lying to you about their location, or you just want to confirm where someone really went to? In the next few seconds, I'm going to show you a simple trick to find out by yourself. Now, if you're in a relationship and you feel like your partner is not being honest about their whereabouts, this method can help you verify things by yourself. And it is not just for relationship aspect only. If you have a child or someone under your care who kept going to places they did not tell you, this will also help you to track and confirm their real location. But here is the most important part of this tutorial. This is not just about catching someone, it is also about safety. If you are traveling, for instance, to unfamiliar or risky area, you can use this same method to share your live location with your loved one so that they can also know where you are in the case of an emergency. Please use this for awareness, safety, and educational purpose only. Don't misuse it or use it to invade into people's privacy without their consent. In the course of this tutorial, I will be using two phones to show you how to go about it. One is your own, the other one is your partner. This one is your own. Why this one is that your child that always go to places without telling you the real truth about it. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this very channel for more tutorials like this. Okay, let's go to the screen.
This is exactly what you need to do. Pick up that your partner's phone or that your child or was phone. Go over to his or her WhatsApp, okay, and launch it. Inside that WhatsApp, search out for your name. For instance, this particular one, my second WhatsApp, is your own. Remember, the phone you are holding is that your partner's phone or that your child's phone that you really want to know the area the person has been to or where he or she told you that she is going to, whether she will actually be there or not. Okay, now head over to this one and send the message. Okay, once you open that your own name or WhatsApp inside his own, as you can see here, this is what you will do. Do you see this icon here? You don't need to send a message. Then click on it and click on location here. This one you are seeing here. Then once you have it clicked, it will appear this way. Are you with me? Please bear in mind that this tutorial is for educational, safety, and awareness purpose. Don't misuse or abuse it. Okay, now once you get to this place, click on share location. But before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to do so that you will not be missing out values that will be dropping here from time to time. And I also want you to understand that you can use this method to save life or to save yourself in case of emergency. If you are going to unknown, unsafe, or risky area, you can use this method to communicate your real-time location with your loved one so that they will always know where you are currently, okay, and know your whereabouts. Now, once you click on this share location, then what you just need to is to choose from the options here whether the person is going to stay 15 minutes in the location, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Now, if you choose between these first two, the time might expire before you get what you want. What you just need to do is to choose 8 hours. And again, there is no way the person will stay there more than 8 hours. Now, once you are done, click on it, on send. It has been sent. Okay, you can see it here. Now, this is what you need to do. If you are doing it for safety purpose, you don't need to delete it. Okay, but if you really want to know if that your partner they go or is going to the place he or she told you, this is what you need to do. Highlight the message like this and come over to this place. Watch out to this delete and remove it, and come over to delete for me only. Click on it. Now this message has been removed from that your partner side. It will only be available in your own end. Are you with me? Now let's head over to your own phone and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Open the message that you sent from your child or from your partner's WhatsApp to your own WhatsApp. Okay, what you need to do is to click on live location. Do you understand? Having it clicked, this profile icon that you are seeing at the center there shows the actual location where the person is currently. Okay, don't be in a hurry, we are going somewhere. I will show you everything. Now click on it. Click on it for me. Now this thing will appear like this. Click on that very inside circle now and click on get direction. Having it clicked, allow it to load. It will take you to this interface. This is the current location here.
This green stuff here is showing where that your child or your partner is currently is.
This is what you need to do to see the clarity of the stuff. Click this thing that you're seeing here that looks like a crown. Now choose this satellite. Now you will see how it will just appear now. Okay, you will be able to see the house, the nature of the place where your wife or your husband went to. Okay,
that blue dot indicates the area or location where your partner or your child is. Now this house you are seeing here is where the phone where I'm using to monitor the one on that blue dot is. Okay,
now let me walk back to where I kept the phone. You will see how that very blue stuff will be moving. Okay, until I get to where the phone is. Are you seeing the location, how it is moving until I will get to where the second phone,
which is my own phone, is located? That blue circle will be moving as that your partner is moving and changing locations.
Okay, so can you see it? Now I'm already at the same location. This is the Badagry Expressway. You can see it here, and here is my own location. Are you seeing it? The inside where I am. This is the house here. The location. This is the front. Can you see it now? So this is just it. If the person lied to you that she's going to, or she was going to somewhere else, why the person went to another place, with this you can actually locate the location where he or she went to. So if you have found this very tutorial useful, do well to share so that others will benefit from this. See you later.